Hello, this is Teacher Rachel. Welcome back to Tutor Mom's vlog. Our vlog. Actually, this is a vlog, random topics na diniscuss ko with my students. So I have like different students from elementary, in kinder, grade 1 to grade 6, grade 7. No? So today we are going to learn about mixed fractions and improper fractions. Okay? So before we continue with this mixed fractions and improper fractions, please don't forget to subscribe. If ever you want to learn a little about the lesson, baka nandito na yung topic nyo, well, you can subscribe. You can watch and subscribe. Okay? So let's define o bigyan natin ng meaning if we ask our student, ano nga ba ang mixed fractions? Okay, or what is mixed fractions? So mixed fraction is a combination. What's sum? It's combination. Okay, a combination of a whole number, and a fraction. Okay, fraction. There you go. Yan. So pag sinabi natin combination of a whole number and a fraction, so remember our whole numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. No? Yan ang ating mga whole number. And when you say fraction, the example of that is the so-called this one. Ito. Yung drawing ko, halimbawa, ang kapal naman. Okay, we say 1/2, 2/3. Okay? So, yan po yung fraction. So, a combination of these two, a whole number, and a fraction is called a mixed fraction. Alright? Okay. Next is our definition of improper fractions. So, what are improper fractions? Okay? So, improper fractions are are fractions. Okay. Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi po ito formal talaga na, katulad ba super nice yung vlog nila na parang formal na formal. So this is how I would just want to approach na yung madaling maintindihan, no? Fractions, these are fractions where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Okay, denominator. Alright. Yan, bigger than the denominator. As we all know, we have this, our fraction. Okay, I will draw an example of a fraction. Let's say 2/3. Okay, this is a fraction, right? Like what I've said, 1/2. Okay, next is another fraction is 17/3. Okay, 17/3. So this is our numerator. Okay, we have to name that as n, and this is our denominator, and this line here is called our fraction line. Okay, fraction line. Yan po ang ating fraction line. Pasensya na, ang sulat ko ay gamit ng mouse. So, medyo gulo-gulo. So, this is our normal fraction. Alright? Wherein the numerator is smaller than the denominator. However, when you say improper fractions, our numerator is very much bigger than our denominator. Ito yan. Ito ang ating improper fraction. Okay? So, I hope you can see that there. Ito po. Yan yun. 17/3. So, this is our numerator and this is our denominator. Okay. This time, I'm gonna teach you how to change mixed fraction, this is what mixed, okay, fraction to improper fractions, okay, improper fractions. So, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano change yung ating mixed fractions to improper fractions. Actually, this is one of the easiest math lesson, okay, changing mixed fractions to improper fractions, okay. So, the first thing you'd have to do, I'm going to give you an example of that, alright. So, for example, your mixed fraction, remember, is a combination of, yeah, you're correct. Okay, it's a combination of, a mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number, let's say 3 and 2/5. Okay, a combination of a whole number and a fraction, right? So how are we going to change that to an improper fraction? So this is how we're going to do it. Okay, there you go. So this is an example of a mixed fraction, 3 and 2/5, a combination of a whole number and a fraction. So how do we change that? Very easy. So remember, this is your whole number, your numerator, and the denominator. So the first thing you do, you multiply this one, your denominator and your whole number. So 3 times 5 is equal to 15, right? And then you add 2. This one, the 2. So 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is equal to 17. Alright? Let me say that again. So you multiply your denominator and your whole number. So it's either or your whole number and your denominator, whatever which way you wanted. Okay? So let's say 3 times 5 is equal to 15. And then you just add the numerator, plus 2. The total is 17. Okay? And improper fraction, remember, is when the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So what would be our denominator here? Just copy this one. Just copy the denominator. There you go. So your answer is 17/5. Okay? Okay. So I gave you one example, and I'll be giving you again another one. Alright? So change mixed fractions to improper fraction. Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number. Let's say 7 and 1/2 is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. And we are changing this to improper fraction. Wherein improper fractions are fractions to where, kung saan, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Okay, so same process. So we multiply our denominator, 7 times 2, that's 14. Plus 1, you just add 1, okay? So 7 times 2, that's 14, plus 1, that's 15. Okay, 7 times 2 is equal to 14, plus 1, which is your numerator, is equal to 15. 15. And then of course, you cannot say it's a fraction, all right, unless you have your denominator. And the denominator is 2. So how do you read this? It's 15 halves, all right? Okay, I hope you get it. And then I'm going to give you some exercises, or maybe 1 or 2, and then you can do it on your own. And then you can write your answer on the comment below. All right, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Okay, here we go. So you can do it on your own now. So please solve this. Change these numbers. Okay, or this fraction, I mean. Okay, 2 and 7/8. Okay, this is A, and this is B. Okay, this is 10 and 5/6. There you go. Okay, leave a comment, leave your answer in the comment box, and then I'm going to tell you if it's wrong or right. Okay, I'll see you again next time. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. And thank you to the new subscribers and old ones. Thank you for watching. I see my views getting higher or increasing. I'm very, very happy. Thank you very much.